I first visited Panama as a Peace Corps volunteer in 2010. I was living and working in a local village surrounded by a beautiful countryside and getting to know some of the kindest people on the planet. During my time in Panama, I had the opportunity to interpret for a medical team that had come to give surgery and care to people in need. And that was my first insight into the level of poverty and dire medical strait of my friends and neighbors. I spent the next 10 years interpreting for that medical team, sitting next to sick Panamanians and speaking their words of fear, their worries, their confusion, but also their thankfulness. In my last trip to Panama before the pandemic, in January of 2020, I remember looking at the long lines of people waiting to see a doctor, hundreds and thousands of people, and realizing that after our team left, the need for care would not be any less, and the level of sickness would not be going down. So I met up with one of the nurses after the trip, and we talked for a long time about all the different ailments we had seen and the types of diseases she had treated, and what was something we could do to reduce the level of sickness the whole year round while we were gone, so that when we came back the next year, things would not be so desperate. The answer is clear: soap. There's something magical about soap that we have rediscovered during this era of coronavirus. Soap is simple, it's inexpensive, and it is effective. It is the best means that we have discovered to reduce the spread of preventable disease. Regular washing with soap helps prevent the flu, diarrhea, infection, internal and external parasites, and of course, COVID-19. What Prospera does is simple. We collect used and factory waste pieces of soap and give them to local women to recycle them into new bars for people in need. With dignified work, soap, and health education, we hope to break the cycle of poverty and poor health for some of the world's most vulnerable populations. My name is Kimberly Howard, and I am the founder of Prospera.